Everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. Something normally aren't doing every day, but we decided to give up on our hot tub. It developed a few leaks over the winter, so God, the dog always in the way. All right, come on, honey. Come on, girl. Alright, so this whole plan of removing the hot tub all hinges on if the backhoe fits through here. Technically I have 6 inches on either side, but we'll see if I actually really fit. Alright, that wasn't as bad as I thought. Alright, so the plan is to take the forks and, I don't know, maybe be a little reckless and just stab it from the side and pick it up. Let's see if that works out. Hopefully I just don't push it, but if anything, I'm just going to shove the forks under the hot tub and lift it up. That didn't work. So I'm gonna go under it All right, it's under just fine. I'm gonna go get a chain. I'm just gonna go around the hot tub and to the eyelet, and then we're just gonna lift it out of here. All right, I went and got 2 sections of chain just because I know if I only grabbed one, it wouldn't be enough. Strap and change is always easier with 2 people, but we'll see. Let's see what happens here. Alright, it's on here, I don't know, in a very poor fashion, but it's up. I was able to get it out of the backyard penned area that we have for just our suburban backyard. So, just gonna come on, dog. Alright, get your ball. Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Good girl. So I'm gonna shut the pen back up, and we're gonna haul this to behind the workshop, and because it's gonna have to get rid of it on in small doses, so our trash doesn't take giant hot tubs. So I need to take it to the job site a little bit at a time. So it's fine that I do that because I order and pay for the dumpsters. This is why we have this backhoe. There's no way we can move some of the stuff around the property without it. Most of the time it's complete overkill, but this time, it works perfect. So the plan is just to set it here for now. If anybody has any ideas how the best way to cut one of these up or break it apart, or I don't know, leave it comments down below, and maybe we'll try it. You know, I don't know if I've ever had to throw away a hot tub before. I've definitely had to dispose of some crazy stuff, but never a hot tub. Alright, I'm going to drop it, and we're going to park the backhoe and get into something else today. It's a nice day. Showing you that's why Honey rides it.